How do cornstarch and water make non-Newtonian fluids? Imagine a substance that can act like a liquid one moment and a solid the next. Sounds like magic, but it's actually science at work. When you mix cornstarch and water, you create a strange material called a non-Newtonian fluid. This fluid doesn't follow the usual rules of how liquids behave. Normally, if you push or stir a liquid like water or juice, it flows the same way no matter what. These are called Newtonian fluids. But non-Newtonian fluids change their thickness, or viscosity, depending on how much force you apply. Cornstarch and water make a classic example called Oobleck. When you slowly stir or pour it, it flows smoothly like a liquid. But if you hit it hard or squeeze it quickly, it suddenly feels stiff and resists your movement. This happens because the tiny cornstarch particles are suspended in the water. When you apply force quickly, these particles jam together and resist movement, making the mixture act like a solid. When the force stops, the particles spread apart again, and it flows like a liquid. This behavior is called shear thickening. It's different from other non-Newtonian fluids like ketchup, which becomes runnier when shaken, a process called shear thinning. Oobleck's unique reaction to force makes it a favorite for science experiments and fun demonstrations. In real life, non-Newtonian fluids have some surprising uses. For example, certain protective gear and body armor use shear thickening fluids to stay flexible during normal movement but become hard on impact. This helps absorb shocks and protect the wearer. Scientists study these fluids to develop safer materials and improve industrial processes. So next time you mix cornstarch and water, remember, you're not just making a gooey mess. You're creating a substance that defies normal physics, one squeeze at a time. It's a bizarre physics phenomenon that shows how strange and fascinating the world of science can be.